Hi Year 2, I hope you're okay. I'm recording this on Wednesday the 4th and it's ready for your lesson tomorrow on Friday. So we had our Zoom today, which was so lovely to see you all. I loved it, and next week we're going to do something exciting. I think we might have like a scavenger hunt next week. So you need to be ready with your speedy feet to get around your house quickly. But let's get on with our maths lesson today. So what we're going to be doing, following on from yesterday's lesson, when you were partitioning numbers, is you are going to do the questions linked to that you've been doing practically, and loads of ways that you've partitioned lots of different numbers, I hope. So what we've got here in front of us is some 10p pieces and some 1p pieces. We need to decide how many 10s we have got there and how many 1s there are there. So let's do that first step, shall we? We'll do this a step at a time. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s pieces. 4 10s is 40, isn't it? We know that 4 times 10 is 40. We all know that because we're amazing. Let's have a look at our next, the 1s. So we might write here 4. We might fill this in. Let me see if it'll let me. Is it going to let me? Yes. 4. There are 4 10s. How many 1s have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5. I'm going to write 5 here. And there are 5 1s. Altogether there is. Now if I've got 4 10s and I've got 5 1s, I know that 4 10s is 40 and I know that 5 1s is 5. So I know my number is 45. Well done. Now, let's see if we can show this as a part-whole model. We did this yesterday, didn't we? Let's go down here. Now, I know this isn't going to let me do it. Actually, it might do if I go insert text box. Let's see if it'll let me do this now. Oh, yeah, it is. So we're going to our part-whole model. I'm going to put in the first part for you. Then you fill in the missing parts to that. Okay, I don't want you just doing a 4, because is that showing me 40? How could you show me 40 in there? Have a think how you could show me 40 in the part-whole model. This is our whole number, and these are our parts, aren't they? Okay, we've got 2 parts that equal 1 whole. Okay, have a go at doing that. Have 2 parts that equal 1 whole. Write the calculation that is shown in this bar model. Okay, so our whole number is 45. This bar model is like a part-whole model, isn't it? We've got 45 and then we've got 2 parts here. One part's got 40, one part's got 5. How am I going to show that as an addition? How am I going to do that as an addition, do we think? Have a think about that and see if you can do that now, and then we'll go through it together. So pause the video if you want to, and then we will go through it. Okay, let's have a look at these 2 numbers. We've got 40 and we've got 5. And we know that 40 add 5 must equal that whole number up there, don't we? So we could write that here. 40 add 5. And that equals symbol there represents the same as. So it doesn't matter which way it goes round, does it? It means the same as. So 45 is the same as 40 plus 50. Now, we've done some things before, haven't we, on addition? And we know that addition is commutative. And what that means by commutative, it means it doesn't matter which way round the addition is, we know it always gives us the same answer. So we know that 40 add 5 is 45. So we know that if we switch that around and do our 5 and our 40, it also equals 45. It doesn't matter which way round the addition goes, it will always give you the same answer. That means it is commutative. Can you say commutative. We've spoken about that in our classroom before, haven't we? It is commutative. Now, let's have a look at this. Subtraction tasks. Subtraction facts. What are some subtraction facts that would give us the answer to what we need here? Have a go at that now, and then we'll come back. Pause that video and come back to it. Okay, so we've done our addition facts. Let's have a look at our subtraction facts now, which is a little bit more difficult. But let's see if we can come up with a subtraction fact that will match our addition fact here, okay? And I'm going to probably try and send out a little link for a game for this maybe on Monday, okay, so we can get a little bit more secure with this. So I'll do the first one with you, and then we'll think about what the second one might look like, okay? So if we have got here 40 add 5 equals 45. What about if we had 45 take away 5? What does 45 take away 5 equal? Have a go at doing that in your head now. 45, count back 5. Well done. It's part of our 5 times table, isn't it, that? But going backwards, it is 40. So can you see here, if we had 40 and we added the 5, it equals the 45. 40 and the 5 has got our 45 here, hasn't it? So let's have a go here at, so we've got the 40 and the 5 is 45. Where's the 40 and the 5 one? Here, 40 and the 5 here. It's 45. So what about if we had here 45, we've got 45, and what number have we got missing here? Well done, take away 40. What is that going to give me? 45 take away 40. Well done. That's amazing. Such amazing work. Can you think of some more addition facts with 45? So you could come up with 2 more addition facts to make 45, and then 2 more subtraction facts that give us the answer that we've got in your addition fact, if that makes sense. That'd be amazing to try do that. I've got you a little extension task here as well to do after that, okay? That I'd like you to have a go at doing some more addition facts and subtraction facts, okay? So that is your maths lesson for today. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're enjoying the new way this workpack is set out. Have a lovely day, everybody, and enjoy your weekend, because it's Friday today. So I hope you get out for lots of walks and have a lovely time with your family at home. See you later, everybody. Bye.